Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are reviewing a gel blaster gun for 12 years and older. This is a do-it-yourself assembly, 0.2 seconds speed burst. You get 10,000 gel bullets within this kit. So let's go ahead, show you guys what you get inside. I don't know about you guys, but gel blasters are a lot of fun. If you've never had one, well then you are in for a treat. Oh man, check this out. Alright, so the grip, it's a little bulky right through here, but it's still good enough grip that you can grab it if you have a large hand. Look at that style. That is so cool, isn't it? Wow. So cool. So, turn this, and under here is where you put the battery in. So you would line your battery up just like this. Let's see, make sure, no, it's gonna be this one. So your double prong is gonna go in here. And then what you wanna do is you'll slide your wires down inside and then place this down inside. This is your on off button underneath here. This black piece goes on the top. The ammo is going to go in here with water, so make sure you read everything that it comes with it. But you just mix these with water in here, and then this would go upside down, and the bullets would then fall down in, and then you would be ready to shoot. They also provide you the charger for the battery, and also you get a laser scope. Can you guys see it? So look right here. See it moving around? So you can go ahead and mount that on as well. Alright, we're ready for some ammo and to test this out. Hold the gun upside down. Once the ammo's in like that, kind of wiggle it around a little bit and we're good to go. Woo! That's got some power. Let's take it outside. Alright, we got the laser pointer on. Woo! Man! Woo! Wow! That is awesome, my friends. And that's it. Wow. Guys, that's a lot of fun. Tons and tons of fun.